Hey everyone, we're going to be doing something a little different today, a little bit more fun. I ordered the brand new Panini WWE cards, and I thought, what would be a fun way to share with our viewers and our readers a way that they can find something cool and sell it for a profit, or collect it if that's what you're into. Either way, I just saw the mailman come, so we're gonna go inside, open up these cool brand new trading cards and see what we find. Then we're gonna give them away to you guys.
All right, this is exciting. We got the 2022 WWE Panini Revolution Debut Edition. This is my first time doing an unboxing. I have not opened up a brand new pack of trading cards since I was 12. So this will be my first time doing this in over 20 years. This is great. All right, let's get started. Okay. The fun part about this is I have no idea all the new WWE superstars. I'm hoping to find Hacksaw Jim Duggan autograph, Ricky the Dragon Steamboat, Andre the Giant, something part of the classics. But you know what? I'm excited to learn about some of the new guys. All right, wrapper is off. Got this cool shiny box. Let's get her open. Ooh, don't want to tear it open. All right. Okay, tuck it in there. I don't know if that's right, but you know what? That's what I'm doing. So, we are gonna open up our first pack. They're all upside down. Is that what's supposed to happen? That's all right. I will put that to the side. We got our 5 packs. Ooh, there's 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 packs. All right, here we go. We got our first pack. I want to be careful because I want these in pristine condition. The fun part about this, before I even open it, is we're giving these away. So someone's gonna get what's inside all these packs. You know me, I'm the storage hunters guy, so the excitement and the curiosity of what's inside these packs is what I care about. But giving these away to some awesome people, that's what I'm also excited about. So hopefully you guys get something cool. Ooh, this is great. Let's do this thing. All right, let's get to the opening. First pack. Is this how you open it? Some people just rip it. I don't know if I like that. Ooh, man. All right, first pack is open. Ooh, exciting. All right, here we go. Make it fun. All right, I know this guy. First one up, Jimmy Uso. All right, pretty cool. Next one, I know this guy too, Edge. Ooh, that's nice. I like these. These cards are pretty cool. Nice and shiny. Followed by Mandy Rose. Not familiar, but pretty cool. All right, next up, Revolution, James Drake. And then we got a liftoff card, Kofi Kingston. All right, that's pretty cool. A little action shot there. Not bad. I like that card. Kofi Kingston. All right, good start. People I know. I like that Edge card. Okay. Kofi Kingston. Okay, next pack. Man, I'm telling you, I don't know how to open cards. This is great. Fun, exciting. I'm trying to do the classic style, just opening it straight from the top, but is this the proper way to do it? I'm too old to be doing this stuff, I think. Oh, you just rip it. Okay, you just rip it. I'm getting too precise about these things. All right, here we go. Next pack, we got Queen Zelina? Okay. Almost? Is that how you say his name? Almost? I almost got it right. Pretty cool. AJ Styles. I like that guy. Oh, ho, ho, ho! I know him, the $1 Million Man. Oh, now that's what I'm looking for. A Legends card. Look at that. That's very cool. And then the Viking Raiders. That's another awesome card. Very cool. So we got another pack there. I love that card. Look at that guy. Classic. That's my favorite one so far. All right. Very good. Okay, next pack. All right. I'm not going to try to be crazy anymore. Just got to go for it. Like the kids do. Come on. There we go. So scared. All right. Here we go. We got Nakamura. Oh, I've seen this guy once. Classic. That's pretty cool. We got Drew McIntyre. I know where this guy's from. Look at that. Scotland. We got Solo Sikoa. Is that his name? Pretty cool. It's a rookie card. All right. Must be a new guy. Next one. Jey Uso. That's a pretty cool looking card there. And the next card. Oh, Randy Orton. All right. Look at that. Shockwave. Very cool. A classic. I'm telling you. I love it. I love the classic, guys. So there you go. Next pack there. I think there could possibly be some autograph cards in here. Maybe we'll get lucky. I don't know. Oh, man. All right, next pack. Okay. Maybe we'll get a signed card of her. That'd be cool. That one's all right, too. All right. Ooh, I know this guy. MMA guy. Bobby Lashley. Very cool. How do you say her name? Sare? Someone's got to help me out with that. Pretty cool. The Miz. Oh, man. I'm not really a fan of this guy. Reality TV guy. That's all I see him as. Still cool, though. Tony D'Angelo. Another rookie card. Unfamiliar, but now I know. And finally... Oh, cool! China. A classic. Very cool. I love that. A legend. She's awesome. There you go. Here's the next one. I'm glad we're getting some of the classic ones so I can relate. I love a little bit of the new with the classics. Cool. All right. Next pack. Still got 4 packs to go. So far, my favorites of the packs. We got Kofi Kingston, $1 Million Man, Randy Orton, and China. Hopefully, the next half are going to be a little bit better than this one. We'll see. Fingers crossed. Okay, next up, Bailey. Ooh, she looks tough. We got Happy Corbin. Again, not familiar, but I'll learn. Elektra Lopez. Whoa, Veer Mahan, is that his name? He is a hairy dude. And a rookie card. And finally we have Vortex. Kevin Owens. All right. There you go. Some more of the new guys. I know him. But yeah. Very good. Next pack. All right. Come on. Come on, autograph. Come on, something good. Come on, Andre the Giant. Come on, Hulk Hogan. All right. We got Dexter Lumis. God, these shiny cards are very cool. We got Natalia. Not bad, not bad. Casey Catanzaro. Ooh, we got a duplicate. Our first duplicate, AJ Styles. And then finally we have the Great Khali, another classic. Very cool. I know him as well. Look at that. All right. Another pack down. No autographs yet. Still hopeful. 2 to go. All right. See what happens. See what happens. All right, come on. Positive energy here. All right, we got Zion Quinn, rookie card. Hopefully that's right. Reggie. We got Shotzi. Is it Shotzi? Action shot. We got another Casey Catanzaro. A little bit different. I like that. And finally, Big E, Supernova. Ooh, look at this one. This one's 114 out of 149, this one. Very cool. And then a Supernova Big E. Pretty cool. All right, so that's a new one that we haven't seen yet. This one, this might be our first numbered card. That's pretty cool. Not bad. Make sure you guys let me know which one's your favorite as well. Because when we give these away, I want to know your preferences. Maybe we'll send you your favorite wrestler. Who knows? Very cool. All right. All right, we got one left. One left. Last card. Good feelings, good vibes, something good. Come on. Here we go. Okay. Whew. All right, here we go. Roderick Strong. We got Braun Breaker, rookie card. We got Aaliyah. Aaliyah? All right. Ooh, a legend. Jerry Lawler, the King. Another classic. And finally, our last card. The Brothers of Destruction. I definitely know both of these guys. Kane and The Undertaker. All right. What a great way to end. Not too bad. A couple of legends in there, so I'm familiar. Good stuff. Look at that. All right. That's what we got here. Well, that was our first unboxing ever of WWE Panini 2022 Revolution. No autograph cards, but still some cool stuff. Really exciting stuff. And now the fun begins, where we give all these away to some of you guys. So it's going to be good. But to recap, I would say we got our favorites here, in my opinion. We have Jerry Lawler. We got Kevin Owens. We got Kofi Kingston. We got the Great Khali. We got Big E. We got our first numbered card, Casey Catanzaro. We got the $1 Million Man. We got Randy Orton. We got China. And finally, to end the night, we have Kane and The Undertaker. Very good. That's it. Check it out.
Do you want to win some of the WWE Panini Revolution cards that we just pulled? Well, subscribe to Never Go Broke, subscribe to JB WWE TV, and comment in the video with your favorite wrestler from the cards that we pulled, and you'll be entered to win. Good luck.
Don't forget to like and subscribe, but more importantly, check out my book, Never Go Broke, available on Amazon and bookstores everywhere.